In this little install video here, I'm gonna be putting a new fuel pump on my 1981 Chevy C10 305 small block with a turbo 350 transmission. And I've been having a fueling issue with it, and I'm really hoping this fuel pump will fix the problem here. So only one man filming here, so what you're gonna need is, these are 7/16 and then a 5/8. So you need a 7/16 socket or wrench and a 5/8 wrench. So after you get those tools, I'll show you. So I got some tools we'll need. I'm using a 3/8 ratchet with a swivel head, this 5/8 line wrench, 3/8 7/16 deep socket, 3/8 7/16 shallow, and a 7/16 3/8 with this and a 3/8 extension. And I'm gonna first get off those rubber lines, which I might need pliers for, I just realized, but whatever. And then I will take off that big line, which I'll do that right now with this 5/8 line wrench. And what all you're gonna want to do is you're gonna put it on there, get in a good spot where you can turn and just go into line wrench. So it's a slower process, but there is a less of a chance of stripping or like putting a kink in the line, so that's good. I'm pretty sure that's loose enough, so I'll go in there with my hand. As you can see, you can hear that, so it's coming and the line's off. And get this big rubber line off here. It's almost off. Oh, there we go, see? It's off. And then the small one here, I'm pretty sure this one will need pliers for. So I'm gonna go get those. This from the fuel pump itself. So now it's time to get these 7/16 bolts. So for this one, I think I'm gonna try the 7/16 3/8 deep with the 3/8 extension on the swivel head ratchet. Put that on there. And I'm pretty sure I can do this like this. I'm gonna need 2 hands for this, so I'm gonna need to set off here. I can turn this by my hand now. It's a little tight, so I'm gonna need to go back in there later. Just finish it off, and now I'm gonna use this 3/8 swivel socket thing on there, and this is definitely a 2-hander, so put this on here and I'll do it. Got the fuel pump off. It's easy enough. The new one came with a new gasket, so that's good. Now you're just gonna want to grab a flat blade or something, get the old gasket residue off of there, and whatever. That's a push rod. You're gonna need to lift that up or the way. And the tool I will be using to get that off is a bent saw blade. You're gonna want to lift it up with the needle nose. I'm gonna ram the saw blade in there, and I'll hold it up, and it'll be good. So I'm gonna scrape off the residue and then get. So I got the fuel pump on here with new gaskets. I put 2 on there, just I don't know why, because it came with 2. I got the bolts in there ready to go on. So I'm gonna put that back in the box for a second. If I can get it in the box, holy cow. Okay, she's in. So now I'm gonna take these needle nose pliers. I'm gonna need this. This is a 2-hand job, but I'm gonna grab the push rod in there. I'm gonna lift it up, and then I'm gonna take my saw blade. And I'm just gonna ram it in there like this. Like that, and then like that. And then I'll slide that push rod down, and then the push rod from the engine, which goes to the cam, will rest on there. And then, yeah, it'll feel good. So I'm gonna do that now. Fuel pump's on there, bolts are tight. Just need to hook up the lines now. And I'll quickly try to do that with one hand here. Oh, it's gonna wiggle her. Oh, no. She's on, and the other one is going on. I'm just gonna grab this, get pliers later. But right now I'm gonna put this line on, and it'll be good going. We'll try to fire up. So I pretty much got it back together. Got all lines on except for this metal one here. It is being a real bugger. Like I can't thread it in. It's in there partially, but I don't know what the deal is there. I got a different battery because the other battery died. I'm just putting some juice in her quickly here, so It'll say 11.4. I know it's coming through weird on video, but we're gonna see if she starts now. Just kidding, I'm gonna wait a little bit, but we'll see.